Okay, today we are looking at the October exam version 1, module 1 and module 2. It is module 1. If a member from the organization is selected at random, what's the probability that the selected member is at least 45 years old? Okay, first let's look how many people we have. It is 135. And how many of them is at least 45 years old? 111. So answer is 111 over 135 D. Second one, we have to just multiply it. 3x squared plus 6a. Third one, for the linear function, we have a slope of 1 over 7. And we have a 2, so it is y-intercept. The answer is A. This one, we have to write in of x 100. 2 plus square root of 100, it is 12. This one, we have to write it in correct form. Correct form is y is equal to kx plus b. So let's write it like that. 5 over 4x plus 8 is equal to y. Then let's create a table. And let's write 0 for 8. Okay, do you have any question until here? Anyone? Brother Solver, sesim gəlir.
Düzgün,
Necə?
düzgün variant gelir.
Düzgün variant güzel çıxmadan deyəsən. 5x plus 44'e ben hesabı 10 ekleyeyim. Round'u. Tamam. Answer is A, by the way. Okay, answer is A. Answer is A. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. 6. A geologist estimates that the volume of boulder is greater than 13.4 and less than 17.4. And it says that we have a 160. It is boulder, so we have to probably add it here. So it is the answer like that. So answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, next one. We can write it to decimals, then we can find it. 20 is equal to 12 plus 4a. Then 2. Answer is 2. But it's a 4, actually. Okay, let's write it like that. Answer is 8. This one, write it to decimals, then you will get this function. I am not doing it. This one, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. K is equal to 76. C. Did you understand? Any question until here? Okay. Let's select 2 point, 10 and 0 and 10. And this one, 9 and 0. So what's the value of slope? It is negative 1.1. So answer is B. Any question until here? Buraya kadar kimse sual var? Tamam. Eleven. We look question like 11, actually. We have to create a system of inequality, let's say. x plus y is greater than or equal to 275. 4.10 x plus 11.10 y is it says that we have a budget of 2,800, so we have to write it like this. And from here we will get answer. Okay, here you can see that x have to be greater than this value. X is greater than this one. And y it have to be less than this one. So these two are our answer. Because it asks about y, it have to be 238, not 289. Not 239. It have to be 238. Okay, 12.
Neyse bu.
Necə?
Burada
11'də. Bəli.
böyle ilk niye 238 balansal.
Because it is our solution part, right? This part. Is it correct? And you can see that for this part, y is less than this value. Ya bax bu qırmızı sən görsən də, ya qırmızı deyəndə tünd qırmızı deyək bura. Bu isə bu nöqtədən aşağıda olduğuna görə demək ki, y da bundan aşağıda olmalıdır. Və y da paperbackləri deyəsən, yox, hardcoverları göstərdiyinə görə demək ki, hardcoverların sayı bu rəqəmdən aşağı olmalıdır. Burada soruşa 239 yazır, amma 239 səhvdir. 238 olmalıdır. Ya, bəzi uşaqlar belə yazır. Aydındır, davam edə bilərik.
Ve x'e gidelim.
X də bunun sağındadır deyə, bax. Bu hissə bunun sağındadır olduğuna görə. Demək ki, X də bundan böyükdür. Amma X-ə aid bir sual soruşmur burada. İstəsən daha yaxşı görmək üçün bunu sonra belə də eləyə bilərsən. Amma belə eləyəndə nöqtəni görmürsən, problem odur. Gərək çox yaxınlaşdırasan. Buradan da gəl yazaq, y bərabərdir məsələn, 238. Gördüyün kimi burada da ola bilər. Amma 39 yazsaq, gördüyün kimi düşmür bura. Demək ki, 39 ola bilməz. Belə də fikirləşmək mümkündür. 12. For 12, we can write it to decimals, or I mean, we can make it equal to each other. 60 y with power of 5 is equal to 12 r y with power of 5. Then from here, r is equal to 5. So answer is 5. 13. For 13, say which statement is correct about 1 and 92? 1 is equal to, 1 is represented by x, right? 1 is x. So it is 1 day after. So 1 day after, compound went public, stock price will be, y will be 92. We don't have here any word like increase or decrease. That's why it cannot be increase or decrease, or it cannot be like D. So answer is A. Okay. Okay, let's continue. 14. The total mass in kilograms of our identical object is T. If for R it is T, for 139 R it will be 139 T, like this. So answer is 139 T. D. Answer is D. This question, you have to just do cross multiplication. 36 is equal to 9x squared, and from here it will be 36b. It's a perpendicular, so we have to find slope of this line. We can use rise over run. It is negative 2, I mean negative 7 over 2. Because it's perpendicular, it is 2/7. So answer is 2/7 here. 17. If second equation in the system y is equal to mx plus b, because it's the infinite number of solutions, b is equal to 3. So answer is 3, D. H is equal to 9 multiplied by v minus 273.15 plus 32. Then it will be 5. Then it says that if a substance has a temperature of 413.33, it means that you can see that it's Fahrenheit, and here H is represented by Fahrenheit. So you can write instead of H 413.33. Then V is equal to 485. 19. Because this equation of circle, you have to use x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. Because the center, we can write it is instead of a and b, it will be 19 and 14. And instead of radius, we can write 6k. Then we can write instead of 6k square, 36k square. Answer is B here. B. 20. For 20, 81, we have RS square root of 161. It is squared plus TS is equal to 81 square, like that. Then we have to find value of TS. Let's write A, not TS. Then A is equal to 80. And sine R is equal to here, opposite TS 80 over RS. No, over TR. So it is equal to 8 over 81. Depending on. For depending on when we are talking about similarity and area, it is A1 over A2 is equal to K. Bigger A1 over A2 is equal to K square. Okay, then we can think it like this. Area of trapezoid is 24. And because it's 2 times, you have to write it like this. 24 multiplied by 2 square, like 96. Do you have any question? Okay. 22. ST is equal to, okay, let's write RT here. RT is equal to 690 minus 2t square. ST is equal to RT plus 1. Then let's remove it. Let's look second one only. So it is our vertex point, right? So here our answer, maximum value of ST is second one, y vertex. And let's look option now. For A, it is 1 minus 69 over 2 square. So you can see that it is not correct, right? Let's look second one. It is also negative. A and B are negative, so they are not correct. Let's look C. 1 plus 69 over 4 square. Uh, 69 over 4 square. For D, it is just 69 over 2 square like this. So just wait 1 minute. Okay, answer is C. Answer is C. Any question from here? 22.
Bir de diyebilirsin.
You have to write first equation here to decimals like this, okay? Then you have to write second equation like that. Birincini yazdınız, ikinciyi belə yazdınız. Then you have to close first equation, then you have to look on the second one. Then it say what's the maximum value of ST. When you say what's the maximum value of ST, like that, it is Y vertex. But when it is asked like that, when f of x, for what, I mean, for what value of x does f of x reach its minimum or maximum? Then it is x vertex. Okay, because it's a maximum value, we have to take that one, right? 596.125. Did you understand until here, Ali? Buraya kadar her şey aydındır.
Aynen.
Tamam. Ondan sonra da cevaplar yapamazsın. After that, we have to check answer.
Bilim.
A and B are negative, so they are not correct. Check C and D. Answer is C. Or if you want, you can also use this formula. Y vertex is equal to discriminant over for A. Negative discriminant over for A. Belə də istifadə edə bilərsiniz. Kimsə sual var? Tamam. Əgər sualınız yoxsa ikinciyə keçək. İkinci, y is 36 more than twice the value of x. Twice mean multiplication by 2. Y is equal to 2x plus 36. Answer is 8. 250 is slope, and slope mean we have each or mostly. Answer is D. Third one, we can eliminate 9x, so we will get 0 is equal to 4, and it is not correct, so it means there's no solution. Answer is A. 4, because it is increased by 7%, I am writing here increase by 7%. It is 1 plus 7 over 100. So it is 1.07. But if it is decreased by 7%, it is like that. So it is 0.93 C. Okay, if it is decreased. And when we have exponential function like this, y is equal to AB with power of x. A is initial value. B show how it changed. So that's why B is equal to actually here 1.07. And A is equal to, because its initial value, it is 18,000. So answer is D here. 5. When we are talking about vertex, it is maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum. But when we are talking about y-intercept, it is initial value. So here for A and B, because it's minimum, it means that because it is minimum, it means that it is y-intercept actually. For C and D, because it is related to minimum maximum, it is equal to vertex. And for this function, we can see that f of x represents the number of fits, I think, or inch, number of inch. It makes this 4 inch. So this 4 is minimum height. Ve bunu tersine yazdım ben. Bu CD buymuş. Deyəsən. Ha, bu CD'dir. AB böyle oldu. So that's why answer is A. Answer is A. Okay, let me also explain it in Azerbaycan language. Baxın, burada vertex forma veriləndə, vertex forma nə idi? Y bərabərdir A vurulsun, x çıxılsın, h-ın kvadratı, üstə gəlsin k. Baxın, bu forma veriləndə bu vertex forması və bu maksimum minimum hündürlüyü göstərir. Bu da bundan eynidir. Buradakı k həmişə maksimum hündürlükdür. H da ya da minimum hündürlükdə ola bilər. H da bu maksimum minimum hündürlüyə çatması üçün tələb olunan zamandır. Amma əgər sizə bu yox, bu formanı versələr, onda bu standart ya da y-intercept formadır və başlanğıc əlaqəlidir. Yəni C və D. Yəni bu forma olsaydı cavab C və ya D olurdu. Bu forma olduğuna görə cavab A və ya B-dir. Bu da maksimum hündürlük ya da minimum hündürlük olduğuna görə cavab 4-dən olan da A variantıdır. Kiminsə sualı var? Tamam. For 6, we have a formula profit is equal to revenue minus expense. That's right. Profit is equal to revenue minus expense. The park earns revenue of $12 for each beach umbrella they rent for the day. On Wednesday, park earned. Okay, we have profit 276. It is equal to revenue. Revenue, we don't know revenue. Let's write R minus. No, we know revenue. Actually, 12 multiplied by number of units. 12A. Minus 120. Then we have to look for A, and the answer is 33. This question, because we have a square root, we have to raise it to square. R square is equal to 7W minus 8. 7W is equal to R square plus 8. And W is equal to R square plus 8 over 7. So which one is this one? R squared plus 8 over 7. It is C, right? Answer is C here. Then it's so. Any question from here until here? Okay, let's continue. 8. Hemisphere. What's the meaning of hemisphere? It is half of sphere. Let's write it here. Which of the following is closest to volume in cubic inch of this hemisphere? So volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of sphere. And it is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 3 p r cubed, like that. Then we can write it like this. Volume is equal to this one, but instead of radius, we have to write 13. So answer is D. 9. For 9, we have to write this function here. Y is equal to 900ax squared. Then say that when you can say that x is inch, right? You don't need to read all of them. Always look unit. Həmişə vahidlərə baxmalı daha tez olur. Bu sualda nəyə gözləyim? Bu sualda x inçdir. Y pounddur. Yazaq bunu. Okay, it means that x represented by inch. I mean, if you have inch like this, it means that is x. And if you have pound like that for this inch, it means that it is y. Then let's use this point and let's find value of a. Then let's find a from here. So a is equal to 1.4. Then let's write it instead of a 900 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by x squared, and x is equal to 7.5. So the answer is 70,875. Let's look this question. I mean, if you don't have any question. Ya sorumuzu yoksa devam edelim. H of x is equal to x plus p, x minus 6, and 2x minus 8. Okay, then let's copy it and let's use this point, negative 2 and 0. If you write negative 2 and 0 here, negative 0, negative 2, negative 2, and negative 2. Then let's write instead of equal sign, this sign, so answer p is 2. If p is 2, we can write instead of p 2 here, like that. Then it says that what's the value of h of 0? Let's write it and find it. Nice answer is 96, D. 11. For 11, x is greater than or equal to negative 9. X minus 24 less than or equal to 21. So if x is greater than or equal to negative 9, we have to write instead of x negative 9, and we have to make it equal. So a is equal to negative 5. This question, you can write instead of, I mean, you can add it, then you can find 2y. You can do it like that actually. Or you can just write everything exactly to decimals. Well, let's look at this intersection point. All right, that finds intersection point. 0 and negative 1.5. Then let's write it here. 3 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 1.5. The answer is equal to 3. C. 13. 86% of H is equal to 34% of J. J is equal to 43% of K. X% of K is equal to H. Okay, here we can give a number instead of K, for example. K is equal to 100, let's say. So if K is equal to 100, J is equal to 43. If it is 43, it will be like this. H is equal to 17. Then let's write instead of H 17 and instead of K 100. Then let's suppose the value of X from here. It is 17. Do you have any question until here? If you have, you can ask and I can explain it again. Burada sorularınız varsa deyin, terden başlayalım. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. 14. For 14, we have to write it like this. For x squared plus 18 is equal to 32x plus r. We can write this over y. Then we can look at this vertex point. Okay, this vertex point, it is y coordinate is value of r because we write this over y. So it means that when r is equal to 46, when r is equal to negative 46, there is one solution. So that's why answer is negative 46. If or when r is greater than negative 46, it means that there are two solutions. And let's think when r is less than negative 46, there are no solution. There is no solution. Like that. 15. For 15, for the function f for every increase of 2 in the value of x, f of x increases by factor of c. When you have every increase of 2, it means that it have to be in this form. Y is equal to AB with power of x over 2, like that. If it was, for example, 0.5, then it will be 2x, be like this. So that's why answer is D. Any question? Okay. 16. For 16, we have a triangle, and actually we have two triangles. They are similar to each other. It says that AC is equal to 5. Just wait. Okay, it says that AC is equal to 5. AB is equal to square root of 61, like this. Okay, from here, we can use Pythagore. So let's use Pythagore. What was Pythagore? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of legs. So 5 square plus BC square, I am writing here. 5 square plus BC square is equal to square root of 61 square, so it is 61. From here, BC is equal to 6. And we know that C is equal to 35. Okay, think it like that. For it is base for 5, it is 5 plus 35. It is 40. So it is 8 times greater, right? Yani bu 8 dəfə böyükdür da. AE AC'dən 8 daha böyükdür. It makes here 6 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 48. And from here we can find it is area with using this formula. Area is equal to 40 multiplied by 48 over 2. So answer is 960. Okay. Any question? Okay. This question. We look also this question once. Okay, what point we have here? It is 0 and 1. It is negative 12 and 12. Then press that one. Or okay, no, not press this one. Then write it here. Then it will be like this, P plus W. So answer is 336. Okay, it's solved. Look at this solution for once, then we will continue. All right, let's continue. Okay, which one has smallest standard deviation? When we have table, when we need to compare standard deviation from tables. Okay, we have these rules. When number of when frequency of value at center is higher than standard deviation will be lower. And also we can say it like this: when frequency at the value at let's say not center, let's say outlier, maybe outliers is higher, then standard deviation will be also higher. So if we look first one, we can find the answer. Here center is 5. Here center is 5. Here it is 5, and here also it is 5. So because in option A we have 55, 5, it means that standard deviation of A will be smallest. So answer is A. Any question from here? Sual var.
Ben mesela outlier versiyası ne doğru?
Outlier əslində burada belə deyim, bax burada gördüyün kimi səndən balacanı istəyirdi, smallest. Ona görə elə birbaşa mərkəzə baxdım, amma böyük istəsəydi məsələn, onda elə outlierlara baxa bilərdi. Yəni 3-dən 7 nəzərdə tuturam burada outlier ki. Məsələn 3-dən 7 outlier deyil, amma bilmədim nə yazım bunun yerinə. Yəni kənardakılar. Burada məsələn bax 3-dən 7 outlierlar 18 dənədir. Digər hamısından daha çoxdur. Demək ki, bununki ən böyükdür.
Ha, dedim ben.
Tamam. Yenə, yəni sadəcə mərkəzə baxıb da müqayisəni tamamlamaq olar. Bax, A böyükdür B-dən, böyükdür C-dən, böyükdür D-dən. Əgər görsəniz, əgər görsəniz ki, A-dan B eynidir, yəni ortaları eynidir, 5-dən 55 dənə var, 5-dən yenə 55 dənə var, onda qraflara baxa bilərsiniz. Yenə A böyük olur, çünki sıfırdılar bunlar. Bu qədər. Ümumi məntiq budur ki, nə qədər mərkəzə yaxın olsalar, standard deviation o qədər balaca olur. Tamam, bunu yazaq. Here we have a lot of method to solve it. We can maybe do like this. X1 square minus 12x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. I don't know if it will work or not. X1 is equal to 6 plus square root of k. Yeah, you can. Yo, olmadı ama. Yo, olmadı. Kalan 8 verdi. O 8 yoktu burada. Okay, then you can do it like that. Let's write instead of x 6 square root of k. Bayaq da o 8 almamışıq biz. Nə səhv yazırıq burada görürsən. Ha, bu 3 imiş. Bəlkə bayaq da 2 almışıq. 9. Answer is B. Bəlkə onda bir dənə bayaqkında yoxlayaq. Bəlkə səhv də yazmış ola bilərik. Ha, belə də olur, amma bunu istifadə eləməkdənsə bunu istifadə edin. Çünki burada 2 dənə şey olur və daha qarışıqdır nisbətən. Daha qarışıq olanda səhv eləmə ehtimalı da artır. Ona görə bunu yox, bunu istifadə edin. Okay, this one. We have first equation here, 9x minus 8 plus 8y is equal to 5. Certain point 5x plus 12y is equal to 7.5. You can see that we have infinite number of solutions between these two lines because it is totally same, right? Sonsuz sayıda elde var. Okay, first one is infinite number of solutions. Second one, it is negative, and it is 7.5. So how many solutions we have? Only one. Here, because we say at least one real solution, it means that it can be infinite number of solution or one solution. So answer is 2. I mean 1 and 2. Answer is C. Sual var buradan da. Tamam. 21. For 21, we can use table Desmos table method. 12, 0, negative 9, 0. Then write it like this. Y1, x1 squared plus bx1 plus c. Like this. You can see that it gives us 0, 0, 0. It is not correct. So because a is greater than 1, so let's write instead of a 2. Then let's write here a plus b. I mean a is 2. So answer is negative 4. Okay. Any question from here? Tamam. 22, last question. 3.8 meter per second square. It is equal to, let's say, a miles per minute square. Okay, we can write instead of minute 60 seconds, right? So let's write here 60 seconds. We can write instead of mile 1609 meter. After that, we can eliminate meter and meter. We can eliminate second. One. One. Then we can find A. So A is equal to 8.5, answer is B. Okay, look your mistake for 5 minutes. If you have question, ask me. We can look that question again. Ha, tamamen sen gönderdim. Yani bunlar toplayanda bunlar toplayanda 108'e elave ne kadar geldi onu da bilersin. Bir de ben de olmak istememiştim. Genelde işte kim gelir aklıma bir yandadır. Qeydiyyata məncə Peyğəmbər əvvəlin qeydiyyata bilmirəm, amma bir dənə baxıb deyərəm mən. Sistemdən baxmaq olur. Mən olsam 115 bu gün atarım. Okay, any question? No question. Okay. Then for today it is all. We will continue from Thursday. And for Thursday, we will also look some question from revision part.